YSR Congress Party President YS Jagan Mohan Reddy is on an indefinite fast in Hyderabad, demanding the withdrawal of the Union Cabinet's decision to divide Andhra Pradesh. The YSR Congress leaders expecting a huge turnout of people from the Simandra district during Jagan Reddy's fast, which they expect will continue till the huge public show that they are planning on the 18th of October in Hyderabad. In fact, yesterday, when Jagan Reddy was asked if he'd request Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi to interfere in the cabinet resolution in Telangana, as he had on the ordinance to protect convicted lawmakers, Jagan said if an ordinance can be taken back on Rahul Gandhi's insistence, why not a cabinet note? Congress should reconsider. Let's go over to NDTV's Uma Sudhir, who joins us now for more on this story. Uma, clearly all kinds of political mileage is being made out of what's happening on the ground on the Telangana issue at the moment, including Jagan Mohan Reddy's fast.
Yes, Kajori, competitive politics certainly on the fast track here in Andhra Pradesh. Jagan Mohan Reddy has just begun indefinite fast for the sake of what he says is keeping Andhra Pradesh united. Of course, he cannot expect the Central Congress leadership to listen to him or to listen to the fact that he's sitting on a hunger fast, but he certainly wants to draw the attention of the nation and also tell people of the Simandra region, people who are agitating for a united Andhra Pradesh, that he is sitting with them. He is just a short while ago begun his fast at the official residence in Hyderabad. Of course, Jagan Mohan Reddy, because of court orders, cannot go outside of Hyderabad, and therefore he is having to do his fast not among the Simandra people who are agitating, but at the location in Hyderabad itself. Chandrababu Naidu had also announced a fast, and he said that he is going to start his fast from Delhi to draw the attention of the leadership there to the issue of keeping the state united. But we do understand that there could be some restrictions because of the election code of conduct that can come into place, and some of the experts are telling us that there could be restrictions on his sitting on a fast in Delhi as well. But even as this is happening, Jagan Mohan Reddy has in a sense tried to take a leadership position in this entire agitation. His leaders in fact are now joining the cadres of